Kwa bodi this wali regia. Omura inkurwale promises. But do we have people who are following those promises? Do we have leaders who follow those promises? That is another question we as the Gusii people abantu bagusi tubonete kwebole. A president no montoko ensengima. The 47 counties, 290 constituencies. No chire inse yae 1,150 450 wards. No chire inse yae. So akaro a president go promise again. Do we have leaders bago follow up nechi promises icho baboli naki president ngo promise to ward enyeketa aligete ngo promise no tumugirango eparagete ngo promise Nyamira county egentogete ngaiwa ikere so far. If we don't have leaders who are willing to work with the government to follow up our programs and the projects skia promise dine na serikali ngo na kibono president nera abati binte binga na bakweba lakini bononye ontubwati barai bare bakubwati ibintu ebyo nabigo sirego
igo buna kurwasoro ngura gusi abarai bachore mbare namamocho
abarai ba ibintu this is the reality. And our people should understand this, that the people who have failed us is the people that we elected. To be honest, tonyago blame president or the president yete go tobwatika abarai bagusi no babwata mamacho no bato failed into abantu bagusi. Yes.